What is aria-label and how to use it effectively? ARIA stands for Accessible Rich Internet Applications, and aria-label is part of this specification. It's used to provide a clear, accessible label for elements when there's no visible text, or the visible text is insufficient for screen readers. This helps people who rely on assistive technologies like screen readers navigate your site with ease. Imagine a button with only an icon, like a magnifying glass for search. Visually, it's obvious what it is, but a screen reader can't interpret icons. That's where aria-label comes in. It gives the button a text description that screen readers can read out loud. When using aria-label, here are some best practices to follow. 1. Be descriptive. Use clear and concise labels. For example, add to cart is better than just add. 2. Avoid redundancy. Don't use aria-label if there's already a visible label. It can confuse screen readers. 3. Test your labels. Always test with a screen reader to ensure the aria-label works as expected. And that's the basics of aria-label. It's a simple attribute that makes a huge difference in accessibility. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more accessibility tips, and let me know in the comments how you're using aria-label in your projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.